how to update Yahoo Mail account. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Quick Guide. I am here again with a simple tutorial on how you can update your Yahoo Mail account. Firstly, go on any browser you have and search for www.yahoo.com. Now tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Again, select the overview option and this type of interface will be appeared. Now from the different options given, tap on personal info. And finally, this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. From here, you can update your profile photo or your personal details. If you want to update your personal details, tap on the option Update Personal Details. Now edit your personal details and after that, tap on Save Updates button. And that's it. This is how easily in the simplest way you can update your Yahoo Mail account. I hope you are able to update your Yahoo Mail account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more informative contents. We'll see you on next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.